3 years ago, my friend Matteo and I began to work on a new programming language for children ages 3 and up. We wanted it to be tangible, inclusive, and accessible to all cultures. We call it the Cubetto playset. Learning to program in early years should be fun, it should be playful, it should be like a game. Cubetto is a simple, hands-on system that is Logo Turtle inspired, Montessori approved, and it works without the need for screens or literacy. The Cubetto playset is made up of 3 separate elements. A friendly wooden robot called Cubetto that likes to be told where to go and how to get there, but more crucially, a physical programming console, and a set of colorful coding blocks that make up a real programming language that you can touch. The blocks are instructions that you combine into a program that get Cubetto from A to B. You play with algorithms, functions, loops, and there is no right or wrong way to play. The first version of the Cubetto playset launched 3 years ago, and Cubetto has grown. Since then, we've delivered 800 beta units to parents, teachers, and children in over 40 countries. And from Asia to Africa to the Americas, one thing was clear. A better future, in which we don't just consume but also create with technology, is one that we all want for our children. We want to create a global standard in early learning and programming. And if we're successful, we'll go on to create new blocks that connect our console to more than just toys. We think the potential for a tangible, inclusive, playful programming language can be huge. And right now, together, we have the opportunity to make this happen. The thought of meeting people in 20 years' time that are going to tell us they fell in love with programming because of what we did today is something that really inspires us, and something we think is worth supporting.